This Led Zeppelin album cover was inspired by a New York City tenement, and the album cover was the inspiration for the interactive artwork I'll show you today. So channel your inner guitar hero, get ready to play some peekaboo, and let's get started. Hi, this is Marcy from Sketchbook Scheming. Welcome. The idea for this piece first grew out of some prompts that were put out by Uppercase magazine. There were 3 categories of prompts, and I got installation for method, layered for quality, and delightful for mood. Once I had the buildings portrayed, I set about to cut open the windows and a door and an access point to the basement. I definitely want to point my eyeballs at the actual buildings someday. Here they are on Google Maps Street View, which I guess is the next best thing. But I was actually walking around that exact area and I didn't realize at the time where they were. The Led Zeppelin album Physical Graffiti that I showed you in the beginning had such a cool design. You could switch around the sides of each of the 2 records that were in the album and have the front or the back of each one showing through the windows. So it was really fun to kind of play around with as a teenager and just pore over the artwork as I listened to the album. I decided to make a series of these kind of silly little doodles, things that kids might find it fun to find behind the door if they were kind of playing peekaboo by opening up the windows or doors. I was obsessively devoted to Led Zeppelin throughout my teenage years and beyond, collecting every album and stacking them high on my turntable each night. When I hear their music nowadays, it's like I've bumped into an old friend. Our children are now all grown up, but my husband volunteered to test out my creation.
Rats. Oh, Skelly. I've seen that guy. He makes the rounds.
Oh, yeah.
Kitty. Of course. Groot?
I am Groot.
Nice.
Chocolate. And then, I don't know if I'll do it, but it's removable, and I could put
A whole other cast of
a
characters.
whole other cast of characters. I don't know. I don't know if it'll line up right for a little snug. Oh, that's all right. Yeah, I gotta fix the lines a little bit, but no, actually, look. Wow.
Good work.
That's not like me. To line up. So here's a final look at my response to the prompts. Layered, delightful, and installation installed into my sketchbook. Please tune in next week for a recap of my whole Sketchbook Revival experience. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you in the next video.